But you're telling me that months into the relationship, I don't know anything about you? What do I really know? Tell me, what do I know? I need you to tell me right now. List 5 things that I know about you. I know your name. Is that even your name? What else? What do you know about Carlton? After high school, tell me, did you guys talk? Did you talk to him? Did you have his contact?
Yes.
Tell me where was he 10 years ago?
What did he do? England.
What did he do for his 30th birthday? Tell me that. If you guys were such good friends to go in business with, I don't understand. You're going in business with this person now, you know, real estate and all of that, right? And I had to find out about that from the table, the dining table. Now tell me, don't you think that was important information for me to know from before?
Carlton.
But go through books. That's a police talk.
Carlton, I've said to you, the area that you guys are planning to start that major project in is a volatile area. I look out for you, Carlton. I don't know this man from nowhere.
Well, I know him. You don't need to know him.
Hold
you
on.
know him.
Have you been interacting with this man from the left high school?
It don't matter.
Don't matter. People change. And that is the point of the matter. People change.
First of all, I know my first rodeo this. A year's made the construction.
But it's his.
Years have to deal with all different type of people.
It is his. It is his.
It don't matter. Me spearhead the project. Anything him know, me you tell him. Because me have years of experience on this. Instead you sit down there and I embarrass me in front of my friend them. Ask the man some question where clearly him uncomfortable answer in front of woman.
That not have nothing to do with me. It's not my relationship. I never asked him nothing about female relationship.
Yeah, but obviously you don't care about that one and either. You don't care about your relationship.
How that reach tonight, Carlton?
What do you mean how I reach tonight?
How that reach tonight?
Because you embarrass me in front of my friend them.
How me embarrass you?
At first you beat the man and you're digging at the man's life, digging at the man's life like you're a shovel. From now on, I'm going to divulge the business side of things.
So let me get this straight. It took me to be embarrassed at the table for you to realize that?
Why are you being so difficult?
I'm being difficult? You know what? It's okay. Don't tell me anything. I'm not asking. I don't ask for much, you know. I really and truly don't ask for much. When we met, you told me you were reserved, and I told you I don't like liars. And you've lied. Lying by omission is still lying.
Oh. So I just not for concern, but no, as long as it concerns you. Is that what you're telling me? No, so why you get me involved in this and if you never want me to get involved in your things?
You just play semantics because that's not what I'm saying.
What are you saying, Carlton?
I'm
saying
saying
so I can understand. What are you saying?
Yes, let me say it slow. Can you look like you slow?
Oh, me slow? Oh,
yes.
So no, you get bright. Camera got me yard. You know what? Let me know.
Lord, what do you mean, Lord? Not telling you everything isn't lying.
So T, I found out at the dinner table that you were in the army. When exactly were you going to tell me that you were a part of the army? On our 10th wedding anniversary?
Luna, I don't speak about me being in the army because of trauma. Alright? When I went to war.
Went to war? Army and war? What kind of war was this? What did they do to you?
Luna, can we have this discussion some other time? Because what just happened, I'm still processing it.
Tell you what, let's not have any discussion about anything at all. I just want to go home.
No, you're overreacting.
Take me home.
As you wish. These damn people, man.
It's always that with you, eh?
But you're acting like it's my fault. You're acting like it's my fault. I've been 100% honest with you since we've met.
In your dreams. The ones that you have every flipping night.
Stop the bullshit, man.
I'm tired of this.
Camera on. No. I am ready. No.
Let's say come out and say
Damn
you
right.
have to take your bus.
Camera got me, yeah, that I'm saying. I'm ready now. Drive the car now?
Gladly.
Pass me place, man, like no fees on the can't take step. Me have my get big money for.
Good.
Take time drive with me now. Take time drive with me. Carlton.
More about drop your yard.
You're too manipulative and I can't deal with it. You're too... Everything that comes out of your mouth, I have to second guess. I don't trust you.
You have no proof whatsoever to substantiate.
I don't have any proof of anything. Not even the truth. I don't have any proof of anything. I'm tired of this.
So what now?
That's entirely up to you.